been a business studies lecturer for 15 years, and I was starting to realise that it wasn't what I wanted to do. So I first formulated the idea for kind of everything you find in this supermarket is vegan, but lots of customers who come in looking for organic options and just trying to be more sustainable in their buying habits. So this is my area eco farm, which is 15 minutes from the shop, which is perfect for our ethos of having local suppliers, and being a permaculture farm means we have got seasonal veg nearly all year long. I had a grant of just under £5,000 from Carmarthenshire County Council, a start-up grant. Without having that signposted for me by Business Wales, I wouldn't be sat here now talking. I had a young lady who came in the other day and she told me it's her favourite shop in the world. They are really the wow moments. We had a litter pick at the weekend, and the woman who arranged that litter pick came in yesterday and thanked me for the extra people who turned up. It's things like that, knowing that I'm making a difference whilst doing something obviously that I love.